Hey guys, welcome to this Lenovo Thinkplus GM2 Pro tutorial, and here I'll detail how to use Lenovo Thinkplus GM2 Pro as a speaker. So if you want to turn this AirPod to speaker, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, when you want to use the AirPod, you need to remove it from the casing, then go ahead and turn it on. Or once you see the light blinking just like this, it implies that the Thinkplus GM2 Pro is turned on. So like this as well. So if it is not blinking, just go ahead and turn on the Thinkplus GM2 Pro. Then to use it as speaker, all you just need to do is this. Go grab your Android phone and make sure the Lenovo Thinkplus GM2 Pro is connected to your phone. Then go to your phone settings. And on the settings page, scroll down and click on connections if you're using Samsung or Bluetooth on other Android phone, and then you should see the Thinkplus and your Android phone connected together. Now to turn the Thinkplus Lenovo GM2 Pro to speaker, click on this settings icon while it is connected to your phone. Then click on audio device type. Once you selected that, then you should see headphone, speaker, and others. Now to use it as speaker, make sure you select speaker. To use it as headphone, select headphone. Now once you select speaker, this is going to set the Lenovo Thinkplus GM2 as speaker whenever you are using it as an audio device output. So, and if you select others, you'll be able to use it as others. So that is basically how to set the Lenovo Thinkplus GM2 Pro as speaker. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.